Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Abdul Rivaldi from class 17.5E.01, majoring in information technology. Today I would like to present my English project about inside the computer and the software and operation system. So let's start with the first topic. So you can see the slide one, it's talking about what inside the computer. So what actually inside the computer is, a computer is made up of two main parts, hardware and software. Hardware refer to all the physical component you can touch, like monitor, keyboard, or mouse and CPU. Each part has its own job to make the computer work properly. So, next slide. Main component of a computer. Uh, the, uh, the computer has like uh, five five component. The first is CPU, or central processing unit. It's like a brain of the computer. The function is processing the data and instruction. Then we have RAM, or memory, which to store data temporarily, not the permanent. Uh, and then we have storage device like hard drive or SSD to keep data permanently, not the RAM just temporarily, but the storage device is can permanently saving the data. And the main part is the motherboard to connect all these components together. And finally, we have input and output device like such a keyboard, mouse, monitor, and printer. Okay, so the next slide is how computer work together. So how do all these parts work together? The computer follow a simple cycle. The first is input to processing the data, and three is output, and then the data is going to storage device to keep the data permanently. For example, when we type on the keyboard, it send input to the CPU, which process it and show the result on the monitor. The software gives instruction and the hardware performs them, all managed by the operating system. After we were talking about the how computer works, we will talk about software and operating system. The second topic, software is a set of programs that tell the computer what to do. There are two main types of software. First is system software, which help the computer run, and the two, application software, which help us to tasks like writing the document or browsing the internet. The first, the important of the computer is the operating system. The operating system, or OS, we can say, is the software that manages all hardware and the other software in the computer. It helps to control input and output device, manage file, and run application. Example of the operation system include Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Android. Next slide is relationship between the hardware, OS, and the software. Here's how everything works together. Imagine the hardware as the operating system as the brain to control sorry, as the brain control center, and the software as what user interact with. For example, when you open the Microsoft Word, the OS activates the program, the CPU processes it, and you see in on your screen. All three must work together for the computer to function properly. So after all the slide I explained, we can get the conclusion. The conclusion is a computer works through the interaction between hardware, software, and the operation system. Understanding how this part work helps us use and maintain the computer more efficiently. And as the technology keep evolving, computer become even more faster and more smarter. And thanks for the listening to my presentation, and thank you.